Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Metroid Prime for beyond crashing, not launching, or loading on your Nintendo Switch or Switch 2 easily.
Fix 1. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Step 1. Hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 2. Select power options, restart. Step 3. Wait for the console to reboot and try launching the game again. Fix 2. Update the game and console. Step 1. Go to the Nintendo eShop and check for game updates. Step 2. On the home screen, select System Settings, System Update. Step 3. Install any available updates and restart the console. Fix 3. Clear cache and temporary data. Step 1. Go to System Settings, System, Formatting Options, Clear Cache. Step 2. Select your user profile, confirm, and wait for the cache to clear. Step 3. Launch the game again. Fix 4. Reinsert or check game card. Step 1. Remove the game card from the console. Step 2. Inspect it for dust or damage and clean gently. Step 3. Reinsert it firmly and try launching the game.